I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you some glam kitchen styling ideas. I hope you enjoy. Guys, this is my kitchen. It's one of my favourite areas of my home. It was actually the very reason that we purchased this house, because I love the kitchen so much. And I love to decorate it for different seasons and create different vignettes. One of my must-haves in my kitchen is two-tiered trays. I love styling them, guys. This one here is from 1825 Interiors, and I love adding pops of colour on a white background. In my kitchen, I absolutely love to add some leopard print, and these adorable leopard print mugs that I picked up recently from Big W are the perfect addition to my glam kitchen. I love styling the two-tier trays in many different ways per season, but I absolutely love adding coffee mugs, ones that are my true favourites. I really love this Mum Day coffee mug that my sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, gifted to me. It is my favourite coffee mug of all. I get a lot of questions, guys, about my backsplash. It is actually pressed tin, and it was installed by the previous owners of this house. I love using it as my backdrop when it comes to my chopping boards. I like to lay up my chopping boards behind my hot plates, and I like to create different styles there. Here I'm using different visual heights in the chopping boards, and I've added this beautiful flower plate from Early Settler Furniture. Not only is the plate the pop of colour that I need, it is also the perfect visual height, and I love how it came. Now, on top of my hot plates, I love to use this beautiful whitewashed tray. To the right hand side, I'm going to add this beautiful turquoise glam vase. Into the middle, I'm going to add this beautiful Girl Boss mug. It's one of my favourite mugs of all as well, and both are from TK Maxx.
It isn't hard to tell what
what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder.
And at the end, I added this beautiful ceramic rose, which is from Adairs. Now, one of my favourite things to do also is to add new dish towels in my kitchen for that new pop of colour. These ones here, guys, are from the Reject Shop. Now, with everything closed at the moment, it's been really hard to find cute, adorable dish towels. But I thought these ones were quite simple but very pretty at the same time. I'm also really drawn to the colour baby blue at the moment. Do you have a favourite colour that you're really drawn to, guys, at the moment? I'm really drawn to anything blue, and I thought these dish towels made a perfect pop of blue in my kitchen. Favourite things to do, guys, is create little vignettes on my kitchen island. Here I'm going to take this beautiful Glam Lazy Susan that I picked up from TK Maxx last year, and I love creating beautiful vignettes on the island itself. Now I'm going to take this adorable glitter vase, which is from TK Maxx, and this is going to be the highest point of my vignette. Now I'm going to add a pop of pink here, guys, and add this beautiful pink flower arrangement, also from TK Maxx. I love the visual heights that I have going here, and then I'm going to add a candle as the smallest piece. Now, unfortunately, guys, the wick on this candle had broken, and it was quite frustrating that I couldn't light it for you. So I decided to change out my candle, and I used this pretty pink one. I absolutely love the quote on this, and I think it just ties in perfectly with my glam vignette. Now, I also love to do different vignettes on my chopping board, and you need a cookbook when it comes to decorating your kitchen. I really love this retro cookbook that I picked up from Aldi, and I love styling it with different flower arrangements, as well as my beautiful Mother's Day card. Now, to really add a pop of glam in my home, I absolutely loved this leopard print runner that I picked up from eBay. I think it screams definitely glam when it comes to a glam kitchen. I'll leave a link for it down below in my description bar, guys. You will absolutely love it.
Like a young child. Oh, it's silly how time just
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm an Australian YouTuber who loves glam decorating. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours, and I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
All around, there's no one but you. Here, hold my heart. Stranger sound gets around us two. In between us.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your kitchen glam.
You had a show like a lightning bolt. You
Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel, guys. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join me here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.